Hello folks, Double Tap here and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a beer review on the Banksy's Amber Bitter. I was in the supermarket earlier and I've seen a couple of old favourites. I mean, I've got quite a few bottles of Bass in here and I've not had Bass in ages, but it is my favourite beer. Bass's, could drink that more than any beer ever. This label's coming off, okay, so that's that one. But anyway, we're doing this one today. I have done a Bass review before, so if you've not seen that, check back and you'll see that one there. So let me show you around this label. Here we go. So, brewed at the Park Bakery, Banksy's Exceptional Amber Bitter, and this one is 3.8%, 500ml bottle, so we're getting around the pint. Crafted with the finest ingredients to deliver a deep gold amber beer with a clean finish and fruity overtones. The blend of Fuggles and Goldings, obviously they're the hops. The classic twin hop masterpiece delivers a classic English bitter. Okay then, well, do you know what, that sounds proper nice. Let's crack it open and check it out. It's been in the fridge for probably 2 hours and they've been in my little beer fridge there. There's your crown cap for the Banksy's. Right then, let's pour it off and see what's going on. Okay, nice wheat colour by the looks of it. Smells nice, I can smell it from here. Okay then, let's put that down a minute. Ooh, right then, so straight away, lovely golden wheat colour. Look, not sure, the light isn't brilliant in here and I'm looking direct out the window through it, and that is a beautiful colour. That is really nice. It's got gold, honey, you know, wheaty, beautiful. Nice little head on there. Not too much, quite thin, very creamy and quite pale in colour. Yeah, getting that lovely rich bitter smell. Yeah, it's definitely it's a nice mild bitter, that is. I'm also smelling them, was it Western Goldings? What was it? We've got Fuggles and Goldings, yeah. I can smell the Goldings hops. So, anyway, cheers folks. Yeah, classic British beer this one is. The flavours are nice and mild, but they are pronounced. They're definitely there. As soon as you open that bottle, you can smell it. As soon as you put your nose by it, you're getting even more, and the taste is nice. It's like your classic traditional British beer that you had in a pub back in the 70s and 80s. Even though you might not be that old, that's what it tastes like. I mean, I can remember going into pubs when I was a kid with families, members and stuff like that, and you'd have a little sip of the beer even though you're a kid, which isn't illegal and all that, like, you're not buying alcohol, you're not drinking it on the street and all that lot, but this is what people do, you know. But that's what this one brings me back to. It's a lovely classic British pint, this one. I like that. Out of 10, it's got great colour, it smells brilliant, it tastes lovely. The head, okay, it's going, but doesn't really affect the taste of the beer or anything. It's just a visual type of thing. I mean, you can excuse me, give it a little swirl, put a bit more life into it, but I don't really think you need to. This one's going to have to be an 8. If it had a bit of a better head, maybe an 8 plus, but it don't. It don't affect the beer. Who cares? Lovely pint. This one, yeah, in my supermarket, this Banksy's was 89 pence. So you know that's it's maybe half the price of any other beer that I could see in there. The next cheapest beer was that Bass, and that was £1.5. On average, a bottle of beer in your local supermarket where I am is around the £1.70 mark. So it ain't really quite that halfway mark, but it's near enough there. If you've not tried it, I'd give this one a go because it's a proper good pint. So anyway folks, I think I'll leave it there for this review. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and a like, and I'll catch you in the next episode. I'm Double Tap, and bye for now. Cheers. Lovely jubbly.